We all know the big guys, the Great Depression, the 2008 crash, maybe even the COVID recession. But history is full of economic disasters that nobody told you about. Today, I'll show you 5 weird, less-known crises that changed the world. And trust me, you'll laugh at how stupid money can get. First stop, Tulip Mania in the Netherlands. Picture this, people paying the price of a house for a single tulip bulb. Yes, a flower. The hype got so crazy that traders were buying tulips like they were Bitcoin. But then, the bubble popped. Overnight, tulip prices crashed, and people were left holding very expensive garden decorations. Moral of the story? Don't invest your life savings in plants. Next, the Asian financial crisis of 1997. It started in Thailand when their currency collapsed and then boom, like dominoes, Malaysia, Indonesia, South Korea, all went down. Imagine one country sneezing and the entire continent catching the flu. Billions vanished, economies shrank, and the IMF had to step in like a strict teacher saying, "Hand over your lunch money, and we'll fix this." Now let's head to Mexico, the Tequila Crisis of 1994. And no, it wasn't caused by too many shots at the bar. After a sudden devaluation of the peso, investors panicked and pulled their money out. Mexico's economy collapsed overnight. The US had to bail them out with billions, because when your neighbor's house is on fire, you can't just sip tequila and watch. Lesson learned? Don't mess with currency values unless you want an international hangover. Fast forward to the year 2000, the dot-com bubble. Everyone thought the internet was the future. Which was true. But the problem? People invested in any website with .com in the name. Even if the company had no profits, or no product. Stock prices skyrocketed, then collapsed. Trillions of dollars disappeared. And just like that, .com dreams turned into .gone. Last one, the savings and loan crisis in the US during the 1980s. Banks basically turned into sugar daddies. They gave loans to anyone and everyone, without thinking about payback. Shockingly, people couldn't pay. Over 1,000 banks failed, taxpayers had to foot the bill, and bankers pretended to be shocked. Wait, giving out free money is bad. So, from tulips to tequila, from .com dreams to greedy banks, history shows us the same lesson. Money is emotional, people get greedy, and bubbles always pop. Remember, the next time you hear about a new crisis, it's probably not the first time the economy's had a meltdown. Subscribe for more funny finance explained, because money should make sense, and make you laugh.